Are you looking for healthy recipes for a week? In a world where fast food and processed meals are readily available, it's about time we shifted our focus to nutrition-packed, wholesome food. This video is your guide to a week's worth of meals that are not only appetizing but also enriched with essential nutrients. From oatmeal breakfasts to protein-rich dinners, we're about to embark on a culinary journey that's as delicious as it is beneficial. So, stick around and discover a week's worth of tasty and nutritious meals. Scene script: starting the day right with the most important meal, breakfast. Let's kick off our week with a delectable oatmeal topped with bananas and chopped nuts. This protein-packed meal is a great source of fiber that keeps you satiated and helps regulate your blood sugar levels. Next up on Tuesday, we have a refreshing fruit salad paired with natural yogurt and a drizzle of honey. This vitamin-rich breakfast is a fantastic way to hydrate your body and boost your immune system, while the honey provides a natural sweetness. Midweek calls for something hearty. Boiled eggs with grilled vegetables are on the menu. A perfect blend of protein from the eggs and essential vitamins from the vegetables. This breakfast recipe will keep your energy levels up all day. On Thursday, we're serving a delightful multigrain toast topped with almond flakes and a honey topping. The toast provides complex carbs for sustained energy, while the almond flakes are a great source of healthy fats and protein. Friday's breakfast calls for a trendy and nutritious start. Avocado slices on toast. Avocados are packed with heart-healthy fats and fiber, making this a breakfast that tastes as good as it is for you. As we move into the weekend, let's sweeten things up with a warm bowl of porridge topped with a medley of berries and nuts. This antioxidant-rich breakfast is a fantastic way to kickstart your weekend, with the added crunch of nuts for a good dose of healthy fats. Finally, on Sunday, we're blending up a protein smoothie with avocado and vegetable protein. This smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with healthy fats from the avocado and plant-based protein that will keep you satisfied until lunchtime. With these breakfast recipes, your mornings will never be the same again. Scene script: fueling the day with nutritious and satisfying lunches. Let's dive into our week of lunch recipes, each packed with wholesome ingredients and delectable flavors. Our first lunch recipe is a quinoa salad with grilled vegetables and grilled chicken breasts. This dish is a protein powerhouse, with quinoa and chicken providing essential amino acids. The grilled vegetables add a smoky flavor and a wealth of vitamins and minerals. Next up is a vegetarian protein meal with lentils and chopped vegetables. Lentils are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber, ensuring you stay satiated throughout the afternoon. The variety of vegetables brings a rainbow of nutrients to your plate. Our third recipe features grilled salmon with roasted zucchini and baked sweet potatoes. Salmon is renowned for its omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health. The sweet potatoes and zucchini are packed with vitamin C, supporting your immune system. For a flavorful twist, our fourth recipe is an Indian curry meal made with chicken and vegetables. The chicken offers lean protein, while the vegetables and spices provide a multitude of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. On the fifth day, treat yourself to an avocado toast with cottage cheese, tomatoes, and parsley. Avocado provides healthy fats, while the cottage cheese offers a protein boost. The tomatoes and parsley add a vibrant splash of color and a dose of vitamins A and C. Our sixth lunch is a fresh fruit salad with white cheese and honey. This dish is a symphony of sweet and tangy flavors, with the fruit providing a wealth of vitamins and the cheese offering calcium and protein. Finally, our seventh recipe is a fried egg meal with spinach and whole grain pancakes. The eggs provide high-quality protein and vitamin B12, while the spinach offers iron and vitamin K. The whole grain pancakes add a hearty dose of fiber. These lunch recipes are not only healthy, but also simple to prepare and delicious, ending the day with a balanced and comforting dinner. First up, we have a grilled cauliflower salad with grilled chicken breasts. This meal is not only easy to prepare, but also packed with protein from the chicken and vitamins from the cauliflower. It's a light, yet satisfying dinner option, perfect for those who aim to maintain a lean physique. Next, we have a zucchini dish stuffed with minced meat and parsley. The zucchini is a low-calorie vegetable, and when combined with the protein-rich minced meat, it becomes a wholesome and satisfying meal. The parsley adds a touch of freshness that balances out the rich flavors. For the third day of the week, we propose a grilled salmon with mashed sweet potatoes and spinach. The omega-3 fatty acids in the salmon are excellent for heart health, while the sweet potatoes offer a good source of fiber and vitamins. The spinach, rich in iron and calcium, rounds off this nutrient-packed dinner. Our fourth dinner recipe takes you on a culinary journey to India with a curry meal made with shrimp and vegetables. This dish is a medley of flavors and nutrients. The shrimp provides a lean source of protein, while the array of vegetables contributes various essential vitamins and minerals. For a lighter dinner, our fifth recipe is a fresh fruit salad with white cheese and honey. The fruits offer a sweet and refreshing taste, while the white cheese adds a tangy twist. Drizzling honey on top not only enhances the flavors, but also provides a natural source of sweetness. The sixth dinner is a mashed pea meal with a protein-rich barbecue. The peas are an excellent source of fiber and protein, making this a hearty and filling meal. The barbecue, on the other hand, adds a smoky flavor that complements the mild taste of the mashed peas. Finally, we end the week with a boiled eggs meal paired with a colorful salad. The eggs provide high-quality protein, while the salad offers a variety of vitamins and fiber. This meal is simple, yet nutritious, making it a perfect way to conclude your week. These dinner recipes will ensure you end your day on a healthy and delicious note. Scene script: understanding the health benefits and nutritional value of these recipes. Let's dive into the heart of what makes these meals not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Each recipe has been carefully crafted to provide a balance of proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, essential for maintaining optimal body function and boosting energy levels. Starting with our breakfast recipes, the oatmeal, multigrain toast, and porridge are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates. These provide a slow and steady release of energy throughout the morning. Paired with protein-rich ingredients like eggs and nuts, they help in muscle repair and growth. Our lunch offerings, such as the quinoa salad and grilled salmon, are packed with lean protein and fiber. Protein is crucial for building and maintaining muscle, while fiber aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. The grilled vegetables and lentils offer a variety of vitamins and minerals, essential for a healthy immune system and overall body function. As for our dinner recipes, they focus on lean protein and nutrient-rich vegetables. The grilled cauliflower, zucchini, and mashed peas provide a wealth of vitamins and minerals, while the chicken, minced meat, and salmon offer high-quality protein. This combination promotes muscle recovery and growth during sleep, while also aiding in weight management. And let's not forget the delicious fruit salads and avocado toasts. Fruits provide essential vitamins and antioxidants, which help protect the body against free radicals. Avocados, on the other hand, are a fantastic source of healthy fats and fiber, promoting heart health and aiding in digestion. Incorporating these meals into your weekly routine ensures that you're receiving a wide range of nutrients necessary for good health. They're designed to keep you satiated, energized, and nourished, whether you're powering through a busy workday or recovering from an intense workout. Remember, a balanced diet is key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It's not just about cutting calories or avoiding certain food groups. It's about providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function at its best. Eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing taste, as these recipes clearly show. A week of healthy eating made simple. With the array of recipes we've presented today, you're equipped to embark on a culinary journey that is as nutritious as it is delicious. Just to recap, we've covered everything from breakfast to dinner, with each meal packed full of vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients. Let's jog that memory. For breakfast, the hearty oatmeal with bananas and chopped nuts, or the protein-rich smoothie with avocado and vegetable protein will kickstart your day. Lunch could be a vibrant quinoa salad with grilled vegetables and grilled chicken breasts, or a deliciously wholesome vegetarian protein meal with lentils and chopped vegetables. And as for dinner, how about the grilled cauliflower salad with grilled chicken breasts, or the zucchini meal stuffed with minced meat and parsley? Each recipe is not only mouth-watering, but also easy to prepare and bursting with health benefits. But remember, healthy eating isn't just about what you put on your plate. It's about embracing a lifestyle that values nutrition and wellness, and that's where we come in. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the best in health and wellness content, from tasty recipes to informative nutritional guides. Remember, your health is your wealth. So why not take a moment to subscribe to the channel, and share our content? Your comments are always welcome, and by activating the bell, you'll never miss out on our latest healthy recipes. Enjoy your healthy eating journey.